to be inaugurating this lecture series, and at the same time the second campus and arbitration center. I think our Chief Justice has a lot of emphasis on arbitration and different modes where we can deliver the justice at a speed and with lowest cost. And I think such institutions which we are creating would give accessibility to every common citizen to get justice. I once again thank the Bharati Vidyapeeth Parivar to invite me. In fact, I must share with you, I promised Patang Rao ji that this year I would attend the convocation of Bharati Vidyapeeth. Unfortunately, today I am in a program where Patang Rao ji is not amidst us, but I know that his memories and the work done by him will always be remembered and we will always miss him. I once again thank you all, especially the Bharati Vidyapeeth Parivar, for having me here. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
That was the Chief Minister of Maharashtra speaking from the heart about our beloved Chancellor, that how much he was missing him today. He was also speaking as a lawyer. He said that you have your side and my side, but the real side is with the Supreme Court and the High Court and the other courts. His love for the law is known to everybody, that this is the only state in India which has 3 national law schools. One in Mumbai, other is in Nagpur, and third is in Aurangabad. He himself, being the lawyer, understands the problems of legal education, and we are sure that in future he will definitely take care of more growth in quality legal education. Thank you so much, sir, for making us proud and coming here and remembering our Sahib, and these words will be written in the history of Bharati Vidyapeeth with golden letters.